Kirly-sue, and if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, welcome to Kirly-sue's Kitchen. Today I'm making for you a vegan burger. One of the most Googled recipes when it comes to vegan recipes is how to make a vegan burger. Now there's lots of vegan burgers around and not all of them taste nice. Some taste really great and some taste So if you can make it yourself, you can kind of tweak it to the flavor that you like. So just before we go to the ingredients, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. So now for the ingredients. For the ingredients, you're going to need 250 grams of textured vegetable protein, 250 grams of vegan beef stock or vegetable stock, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 2 teaspoons of miso paste, or you can use 2 tablespoons of powdered dried mushroom, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 60 ml of vegan mayo or a flavourless oil, 1 tablespoon Blackstrap molasses, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vegan Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon browning, optional for colour, 2 tablespoons ground flax seeds, and then you're going to need 30 grams of plain flour or all-purpose flour if you're in the US, and 30 to 60 grams of breadcrumbs, or you can also use oats. So for the substitutes, again, you can use veg stock instead of vegan beef stock. You can use dried mushrooms, powdered dried mushrooms instead of miso paste. You can use a plain flavourless oil instead of the mayo. You can also use Tamari if you want a gluten-free version instead of soy sauce. And you can also use gluten-free flour if you want to, instead of just the regular plain or all-purpose flour. And if you don't want to use breadcrumbs, you can use oats instead. So now for the method. Rehydrate the textured vegetable protein in the vegan stock for about 10 minutes. While the textured vegetable protein rehydrates, add everything but the flour and breadcrumbs to a bowl and stir to combine. Once the TVP is hydrated, add the marinade mixture to the TVP and combine with clean hands or a spoon. Using a spatula, add the flour and breadcrumbs and combine again. So with regards to the breadcrumbs, I would use regular breadcrumbs, not panko breadcrumbs, and make sure you use the finest breadcrumbs you can find. If the breadcrumbs you get, if you're buying it in the packet, are not that fine, just whiz it in the blender quickly and that will make it super fine. The mixture should come together quite easily and form into a big, like a dough. You can also fry a small burger just to test the seasoning if you wish as well, and then adjust the seasoning to taste. So you can also take a little bit of the mixture and fry it just to get, so you can taste it, and if the seasoning is not quite right, then you can adjust it. Form the burgers into patties. So what I did, I used a large cookie cutter and placed the mixture in the middle and patted it down. For a preferred size, now you can make them 2 ounces or 4 ounces. You can weigh it out if you'd like, or just use, you know, measure it by teaspoons or tablespoons, whichever works for you. You can have a thin one or a thick one, whichever is your preference. So to cook it, you simply heat up a pan, a medium-sized pan, and with some oil, cook on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes until nicely browned, and that's it. It doesn't need much more time than that. You can season if you like with a little salt, but to be honest, I think it's going to be quite salty enough already. Then you can flip the patty over and add a slice of cheese. So what you can do is add a slice of vegan cheese, take a little bit of water, add it to the pan, and then put a pot lid over it or something to cover it, so that will steam the cheese so it will melt down nicely. Then you just place it on a bun, add your lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise and ketchup or whatever dressings you want to add, and then that's it. Your burger is ready. This is really quick and easy to make. It's really flavoursome. And I love the texture because some vegan burgers, they're made out of beans. Some people don't mind the beans, but the beans are a bit mushy. But this, it really holds its shape and it really tastes substantial. The texture is quite substantial. I like the texture, I like the flavor. Let me know how you get on with it. If you make this burger, please comment in the comment section below. Either put a burger emoji or just comment to say I've made it and let me know how it is. Have you made vegan burgers before? Did you like the flavor? Do you use any different ingredients to me? If so, comment in the comment section below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share this video wherever you are on social media. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you next time. Bye.